went from 235,000 to 1,800. He started out owing 235,000 to CRA. We brought it down to 38,000.
Wow.
This was through the notice of objection, which I was very familiar because I was an appeals officer. I knew how to do it, right? I wasn't happy with that 38. I said, I think I can do better.
Nice.
So we filed an appeal to the Tax Court of Canada. So I had 4 kids at the time. I had to get someone to come and take the kids because I left at 7:30 to get to downtown Toronto from, at the time I was living in Pickering. And I show up and, you know, I'm green because I've never gone to tax court, but I know how to do an objection, right? And I'm standing outside of the doors of the courthouse, of the courtroom, and someone comes off the elevator, an older gentleman, and he says, "Oh, miss, would you like to come sit in our sitting area, like inside where the whatever." My client shows up, and all of a sudden they say, "All rise." So of course I rise, and the guy walking in was the judge. He knows I'm green now because I'm here at 7:30 and the lawyers don't show up till 9:30, 10 o'clock. So I didn't know how to go about it, but he kind of helped me. Brought my client up on as a witness, asked him the questions that I needed to go to get there. So what could have probably been done in a day, had I known, took me 3 or 4.5 days. So we were in, I think the first day was Tuesday, and then we finished, we wrapped up Wednesday or Friday afternoon, right? So we walked out and I met with my client. I said, I don't know how this is gonna go. I have no clue, no clue. On my way out, the lawyer, I don't know the name or whatever, but she says to me, next time when you come to court, you might wanna consider hiring a lawyer. Wow, like, okay, I may not have known how to do it because I'm just an accountant, but I did my best with the knowledge that I had, right? Well, I had to wait, and I didn't even invoice my client because I thought, I don't know, what do I invoice? Lawyers would typically charge back then $2,500 a day. I'm like, that's 10 grand? Anyways, I said, let's wait. Not that it was contingent on winning, because my fee was going to be my fee. I just didn't know how much, right? So I had to wait till April 22nd when the decision came out. It said, the assessment's been vacated. So we went from 38,000 or 35 to, other than 1,800, which was a little bit of a HST calculation. So I went from 235,000 to 1,800.